All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I tell you, no, say he's my excavator. Look at that. My excavator. That is our name? That is the sign? Is so? Excavator? Yeah, that is my excavator. Look how you get out the tree, the coconut root. It heavy now, you know, no bother strain your back, you know, yeah? You have to dig off the dirt fan. Let's roll it down
Nothing now. Next time.
Yeah, so you finish work now. Then why you throwing down the thing them so? Guys, it gone. It out. It out of the ground. It out of the ground. My excavator. That's why I have to make up a punch then again, so right? I gonna make breadfruit punch for you. Put guineas in it. I have guineas inside it. I have Malta thing too, you know. Yes, I'm gonna make breadfruit punch. To put in back that way loose it dig out that tree root. Yes. Alright. Me now if it come down there, it'll show right up here so.
Right. So here looking nice.
We get rid of that now.
Coconut tree root, they don't go down heavy. You see them root, them little thing there? That's the thing coconut.
Guys, can't you believe it? My husband dig out the coconut root and fall it down like an excavator. Oh my God.
Papi showing me?
Oh my God. I talked to you about that and you do it again. Oh my God. He dig out the coconut root. Can't you believe it? And I give him a round of applause. Don't he deserve some punch? Yes, he deserves some punch. Alright guys. Guys, you all take care. Bye for now.